Hi friends, success of your blog depends on the selection of your theme. If you have good theme, your blog is about to going successful. In this video, I have a wonderful theme called Narrator. It is a fluent WordPress blogging theme, and the theme has been developed by Mayor Themes. It was developed in 2018 and regular updates for this theme is also being done. I have seen this theme very creative, and this is the demo look of Narrator WordPress theme, which has been specifically made for the blogging new bloggers and all. This is the story page, and this theme is really wonderful as it has got very clear and stunning look, and its readability is really wonderful, and your readers are going to be happy with this theme and this layout. So if you have decided to make a blog website for yourself or for your agency, this is going to be a good catch for you. In this video, we will install the Narrator WordPress theme, and we will also import the demo content and see the theme options available in this theme. For this, I have a fresh installation of WordPress in which the latest version of WordPress has been installed with 2021 WordPress theme, and I got the theme pack as well. In the theme pack, I have demo content, licensing, changelog, documentation, how to update URL, and Manure Narrator zip file, which is theme file actually. Let us begin the installation. For this, we have to go in the theme section of WordPress, click on add new, upload theme, choose file, and here you need to choose Manure Narrator.zip file. And if you are having direct access on your server, you can upload the same file directly in the WP content themes folder. I am doing the same. It will save some time. However, both activities are same. Either you can upload from WordPress interface or you can directly upload at your hosting, and the theme file size is 4.56 MB, which is really very less, and we can consider this theme as lightweight theme, and it is going to be run fast on your website as well. So your website is going to be fast with this theme. We can conclude this, and it will not take much time in loading. And once the progress bar turns green with 100%, we can go back and extract the uploaded file. And the extraction outcome is this Manure Narrator folder, in which we got all the theme components, folders and files. And now we can delete the zip one. This is just consuming the server space. Go to the theme section again. Now we have Manure Narrator as another theme option. Let us check the detail. It is Manure Narrator 1.3.4. it is a blogging theme, and we can activate it now. Upon activation, we got an alert to install necessary plugins. Let us check what plugins are here. This theme needs only two required plugins. One is Advanced Custom Fields Pro and another is Manure Narrator Gallery. Rest three are only recommended plugins, but I am installing all the plugins as I have to showcase all the features of this theme. I have chosen to install the plugins in one go. If you are not confident about your server capacity, just install the plugins one by one. and once the installation has been done, we can activate all the plugins. Since we have installed the theme and plugins, we can check our website how it looks with the theme and plugins. This is the basic look of Narrator WordPress theme, and this is of course without any demo content. And now at this stage we need a demo set of contents so that we may have a target website like this. So let us find where the demo content option is available, and somehow we reach on this page. Just delete this segment and Jetpack we can set later. Theme option I'll show you definitely. I'm just looking for the demo data. And I assume there is no one click like importer like thing in this theme, and we will definitely go for a manual import. Let us check the file what has been given, and for the manual import, this is the demo content older WordPress content. Okay, so we have the XML file for the demo import, and we can use the WordPress importer option for getting the demo content. And for this we have to go in the tools section and click on import and install the WordPress importer, run importer, and choose file. And here we need to choose the demo. Since we have the latest version, we can choose this WordPress 5 plus. Open it, upload file and import, and here you need to assign the user. Click on download and import file attachments and hit on submit, and it is going to take some time. As okay, it got done in seconds. And now we can recheck our website how it looks now, and it is wonderful. And I must tell you, the actual images has not been provided by the developer. Rest of things has been given here, and it is final, and it is fine now, not a problem. Ultimately we have to use our own images, and the website is really working very fast. It is opening in just blink, and this is going to be a added advantage of speed for your website, and it is really very good and fast. So we got a wonderful blog website in this activity. Now we can check the theme options, what is available additionally. And this is accent color, text logo, or custom image logo. You can change whatever you need, and some basic settings are here. In a blog website there are nothing like much setting. It works very fine, since WordPress is a special platform for blogging itself, so it supports properly, and you are good to go with this setting and start posting. And these are the demo posts available, and you can simply add new post and delete the older ones, and you will be good to go for your WordPress blog website. And If you have got any questions regarding this theme, you can definitely write in the comment box of this video. I'll try to help you out, and I am also giving the link of my website where you can get this theme, and if you need, there is hosting plan also available, so you can choose whatever you want. And I assume you have already subscribed this channel. If not, please subscribe this channel. I'm going to bring wonderful videos, plugins and useful utilities for you. Stay tuned. Thanks for watching.